So I kind of hate estate sales, but we've been striking out all day at these yard sales, just like minor fines. So my mom has convinced me to go to this estate sale. I just had to park forever away because all these cars, look at that. All those cars all the way down the road are for the estate sale. And she says it's gonna be good, so we'll see. I turned on my camera. Is it recording yet? So we'll see. Pans. I'm a big pan fan. Might be clay, but I have like a cajillion of them.
Okay. How about this cup for your deck?
No.
I'll put it back. It's got a garage.
Well, over against the one wall.
This is a nice house, isn't it?
Yeah. I like the window out. All right. Everything's half off, she said.
There's a garage space left too.
Okay.
You're not finding anything, huh?
Nope.
Okay. There's a vacuum.
I saw that.
Found it?
First high.
But you know what I did find? Two more
Still high.
carriers that don't have CDs.
Ooh.
Yeah, we gotta keep our eyes peeled for that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
What's that?
one that you
You're
bought,
giving away the stuff in the kitchen. I think it's like different.
Who's selling it? Her?
Yeah.
I want to ask. Who is it? With the blue shirt?
The red shirt.
Oh, red shirt. How much? Would you do any better on these?
Everything's half price.
Half
You
price.
realize that?
Yeah, I knew that.
No.
Do like 40 for the set? 20 a piece?
20 each?
Yeah.
I think we could do that, yes.
Yeah. That's just a small discount, right?
And actually, this one
40 for this two of them?
Yeah.
doesn't have a CD in it. But a CD, that one,
It's 50 was what it was.
Were you checking out right now, or? is
Oh,
it-
I don't know how this
got a whole
works.
table.
I gotcha. Okay. They have knives?
Well, like that carries.
Oh, let me see.
This one.
Klaus.
That's
Uh,
the granddad.
Klaus
stuff. This is
packet
back here.
knives. Do you see any like Leatherman? So. Okay.
How much is this? 3 candles. Now, how much is that? I didn't see a price on it.
you'll do $1 today.
La Crusade.
Oh. What is it? Like candles? Lighter.
Nice. How much?
Dollar.
It's a deal of a lifetime.
Dollar. I don't know. Could break me, David. Could put me in the poorhouse. Oh, nice.
A little expensive. Made in Belgium.
What are the prices?
La
See
Crusade.
if they'll do better. They want to get rid of them.
Yeah, this is La Crusade. This one's not in very good condition.
No, I don't know, but I don't think that one's.
How fixable that is.
I gotta be to work at 1 today, so.
This one?
I don't have anything.
In here it's fine.
Dave, this is single thing.
Yeah, but it's like...
Oh.
I like selling t-shirts. LL Bean, wow.
Did you see the hat? There's a hat too.
Wow.
See how much it is?
$5, half off. $2.50. That's kind of a no-brainer. Oh, 60. Okay. Yeah, that's a harder choice.
Yeah.
LL Bean.
Yeah.
Leather jacket.
I think it's not worth 30.
Yeah.
These look like John's clothes. Nothing in there.
Mom.
Yeah. What?
So this is basically it, right?
Mm.
The fur and the... 170.
Right there, it looks like right there.
Yeah,
That's
I
the-
think it's worth getting if I can get it for 20.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll ask them to do 20 on it.
What do you think they're going to think of the can?
I don't know. Have you ever tried it before?
Never.
Ow. So she said I could talk to you about maybe negotiating a little. I had, she said you might be able to do better or no? On some of these. So this is, I think, 85 total. I was hoping you'd take 65 for everything.
What's your name?
David.
So it comes to 55.
And then this jacket too, though.
Alright, well, that's separate, so.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Well, I want, you said you were making an offer on these or the whole entire?
I was saying 65 for everything. That's 30 on there.
Right, so it comes to 85. Yeah, no, I can't go 60. I mean, I can do 80.
Oh, okay. You can't do 65?
Yeah, it's already, half off.
Right.
Responsible to the homeowner to, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you.
75. and then there's
We do
taxes.
70 if we take this out though, right? Because we're at 75 and that one was 5.
What'd you say?
70.
It was 74.
Okay. All right, so that estate sale wasn't that bad. I kind of negotiated more than I needed to, but just didn't love the condition of these La Crusette pans. They're going to require quite a bit of cleanup, so I don't want to pay too much. This jacket is really cool. It looks like it might sell for $100. It's LL Bean leather. These two La Crusettes look like they might sell for 80 to 100 a piece. This one I don't know, but might be $300 just in these 3 items, plus whatever that's worth. I mean, my mom was right, guys. At the end of the day, she said the estate sale was going to be great, and it was actually the best. And she was right. It ended up being the best haul of the day. We got those Le Creuset pans, worth well over $200 for those 3. Maybe not well over, but at least $200 for those 3, I would say. The jacket is worth $100 plus, so we spent a little bit more there. At an estate sale, you're always going to spend a bit more, and I ended up spending, I think, $60, $70, $75, $70 plus tax, and it was hard to get her down to that price. They were tough on the pricing. It was weird because one of the ladies there was like super flexible. She's like, yeah, they'll come down even more. Talk to them at the front. Yeah, we can give this away. We just need it gone. But then the lady managing the money was like, no. We have to make sure we bring in maximum money for this and blah, blah, blah. I would have left more of the conversation in there, but a bunch of music was playing and YouTube would have just canceled the video anyways. So I couldn't leave it all in there. But basically, she was all about getting the max dollar, where the other coworker was all about getting the stuff gone. So I don't know what's really better for the homeowner, because a lot of these estate sale companies end up keeping the stuff they don't sell. So is it really better for it to not sell and for you to keep it at a super low price? I don't know. All the estate sale stuff works. All I know is there's some shady doings sometimes with those. But in the end, really good haul. A short video today, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you next time.